Hi, I'm Ted Whitehall, coming live and direct from the Devil's in the Detail. Today we've got a little bit of a treat. Some of you would have seen this car before, but I've had this car back for a pre-magazine clean-up, and it's going to a photo shoot on Saturday, and it's been glorious weather today, so we've had a good go at it, and I'm just going to show you. This is it's a 993 Turbo S, one of our only 23 right-hand drive cars ever supplied to the UK, and only 35 cars were ever built in total. And this was a car that I spent quite a long time on getting this done. Some of you might have watched the videos of what was done to this car. And today it's been collected from Porsche, it's been and had an annual service, and it's been brought to me in preparation for this magazine shoot. Now, these cars are valued around the £300,000 mark, some are higher, but this car does get driven and used, and don't just sit in a collection like most of these would. So it's nice to know that the car's enjoyed. Now, I don't know which magazine this is being filmed in, but I'm sure I'll find out. But it's nice to have a car that's been requested by the magazine. I don't know where they saw it and how they contacted the owner, but it's always nice when you know one of your cars has been recognised. So quite proud of this job overall anyway. If you look at the videos that are available on this car, you'll see the sort of condition it was in originally when it came to me. Took a lot of work, but it's really satisfying to see it now in its glory. So I just thought I'd show a little bit of it and show off a little bit, I suppose. But we don't see these sort of cars that often, although a friend of mine does own one that's not driven and only done 20,000 miles from new. So I do see a couple of them, so I'm quite lucky. Anyway, let's give you a closer look at the paintwork. The trees are already descending leaves and bits all over the car. Personally, I think these was the best shaped and best looking Porsche that was made. The 993 Turbo is the same body shell. It's mainly in this car is the stuff that's underneath the skin. But I explained all that in my videos before, so you can always find them on the YouTube channel. Beautiful car, and proud to be a part of its revival and its future use. It does turn heads. The colour black always makes the car stand out well. So there we have it. That's what I've been up to today. So I'll see you soon on the next one.